Welcome to How to Solve.
Hi there. I'll show you how to fix Apple Pay not adding your card. Let's go. If you're struggling to go and add your card to Apple Pay, then I'm going to go over some fixes. For example, when I go and click on the add button right here on the top right, it just circles like this and it just says add cards to wallet. But I don't really get an option and you may be getting this error too, so hopefully this video will help fix this problem. So the very first thing that you need to do is close off the wallet app and open up your iPhone settings. And in your settings, what you need to do is just scroll down and go to general. And in general, you have to scroll down a bit and look for language and region. So the very first thing you need to do is make sure your iPhone's region is set correctly. You may have changed it for some reason, so go and tap on region. And in my case, I need to go and find the United Kingdom because that's where I'm from. Then you have to go and tap into your iPhone, and then your iPhone will then be restarted after you've changed your region. Then you have to go back to the wallet app and see if you can add your card now. For example, if I click now, as you can see, I should now be able to go and add a card just like that. However, if you still can't add the card, the next thing I recommend doing is simply going and restarting your iPhone. So I'm just going to put a video on the screen on how you can do that. It's pretty simple if you're using an iPhone 8 or above. So 10, 11, 12, 13, and 14, all of the latest ones. All you need to do is press the increase volume button, then the decrease volume button, and then you just have to hold the power button until you go and see the Apple logo. You may go and see a screen which has slide the power off button. Just keep on holding the power button until the Apple logo and let go once done. Your iPhone will then restart. Hopefully that will go and fix the problem. However, if it still doesn't, the next thing that I recommend doing is going and checking the status of Apple Pay. Sometimes there may be some downtime. To do that, you just have to go and open your Safari, just like this, and go and search for something like Apple Pay status, just like that. And then you will see some sort of a status page. And then what you can do is tap on system status like this, and you can go and look for the information right here. So here is Apple Pay wallet. It does say it's available, but for example, if there is a current issue going on with Apple Pay, you will see it in here. Another thing you should try as well is if it's just not adding one card, you have to try another card because maybe it could be an issue with your card and some providers may not allow you to go and add your card as well. So if it's one specific card not working, then what I can recommend doing is trying another one because it's likely that it's not an actual issue with Apple Pay, but it's more of an issue with your card provider. Or you can also try getting in contact with that card provider and seeing if there's any reason in particular why you can't go and add it to Apple Pay. Those are the steps that you can try to take if your Apple Pay is not allowing you to add your card.
Please like and subscribe for more content. We'll see you in the next one.